Hello, hello everyone. You're on Tony's Witchy Arts and Crafts, and I'm Tony. Hi, hello. Okay, this is a little bit of a show and tell and a little bit of an unboxing. But it has nothing to do with arts and crafts today. It's more, how to say it? It's a spiritual unboxing type box. I don't know how to word it. But I was not expecting it. Someone just randomly sent it to me, which was extremely sweet and nice. And you know what? Things have a way of showing up just as you need them, you know? I had a really high anxiety filled day today. And to get home and, you know, have happy mail pretty much in your mailbox for you when you're having a bad day is the best thing ever, to be honest. And so, this lady that sent this box to me, she has a YouTube channel, but she doesn't have any videos on it. But I just want to give, I think it's pronounced Tiny Moon Goddess, a shout out to say thank you so much. So she wrote a little message on the inside for me, but on the front is this beautiful hummingbird, and I love hummingbirds. Just wanted to show that to you. And then look at the paper on the inside. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. So, let's see what's in our magical, mystical box of goodies. So, I put washi tape on our addresses. Okay? So you can see it's a pretty big box. So let me open it. And I'm trying not to make big noises and knock stuff over, but it might still happen. You never know. Okay. Just trying to get this lid to stay open. Alright, so it looks like there's some paperwork right off on top. And boy, this is some beautiful artwork right here. I just love this. Gorgeous. I know the light shining on it kind of washes things out, but we got a calendar here attached. So a lot of, if you celebrate the moon cycles and the Sabbats and stuff like that, this is what this calendar is like, showing you the moon cycles, which today is the 15th. Okay. So that is where we are in our moon energy. And Thursday is a full moon. So if you do any full moon stuff, you might want to get on that. Moon, zodiacs. Okay, cool. So this just tells you the, do you follow the zodiac signs and stuff? Here's mine. Here's Cancer. So, yeah. So I'll have a read on that later. And then here's something on Samhain, if you like to celebrate Samhain. I do. And it looks like some other stuff here. Maybe some rituals, spirit board. Yes, I know how to work with the spirit board quite well, actually. And so here's this is just like a paper version of a simple spirit board, or this is for the pendulum. This one's for the pendulum. It's not the spirit board. So that's cool. Got some paperwork to add to my multiple Book of Shadows that I have. And I've got all this stuffing I can reuse, and boy, the smell coming out of this box is divine. Like, it smells like heaven. It smells so good. And so, we've got some beautiful stuff down in here. Wow. Alright, so, looks like we have, this is a candle. Look at that beautiful candle. Can you see the sparkle? There's glitter in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But we've got a key and a skull. And I don't know what type of stone that is. I'll have to read the paperwork. But, yeah, see this box is probably from this company, right? It smells so good. Looks like we've got a tea. So we got some herbs here. It's a tea, ritual tea. So if this type of stuff kind of creeps you out, you might want to click off now, go to someone else's channel for a moment, and then tomorrow I'll be back to my regular crafting. Okay? And this is a solve. I do have one other solve. I haven't used much of them, but I'm always willing to try. Pretty cool. This is so cool. And some of this stuff will go on my working altar that I have in the bedroom. I've got this beautiful, it's a crescent, like a dark moon, crescent moon shape with a moon and the sun on it. This is my husband's favorite image. I actually painted my husband a sun and moon theme that he really liked. But it's got this little slit here, and I watched Misty's unboxing, and I believe you're supposed to stick a card. Like when you do your tarot readings or something, I think you can stick a card in there and it's supposed to stand straight up or something. So that will be a perfect add to my altar. My husband teases me and says every space I turn into altars. Any surface that doesn't have anything on it, it gets turned into an altar. Okay, here's our little piece that goes with the spirit board. Isn't that beautiful? I like it. Okay. And then here's our pendulum. I have two other pendulums I love working with. I have a rose quartz pendulum that has a goddess symbol on the chain, and then I have a amethyst. This one's beautiful. This one's, I'll have to read the paperwork, but I don't know what stone that is. but it's black. It's like pure black. It's beautiful. That's gorgeous, gorgeous. I love that. So we got that. Looks like we've got some more herbs here to burn. Yep. I want to smell it. Oh, that smells good. I like that. And this is a very unique jar here. It's got this little dimple right here. If anyone knows what that's for, is it so you can hang on to it better? Because my thumb fits in there perfectly. I like that. And it stands straight up. So that's so cool. I wonder. Yeah, I think that dimple probably allows it to set up. It sits on its side like that. So you can like. I have these tiny little spoons. I could use that and get some out. That's cool. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, and then we've got a beautiful stone here. Got these little packing worms everywhere. That is beautiful. Look at that one. I know the lighting doesn't do it justice. I'm sorry. But we got this beautiful pattern on top here. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it looks like we've got an oil here. Ooh, nice. We've got some herbs in there, and I think there might be a little stone in there that kind of looks like amethyst, I think. That's beautiful. Okay. Oh, I missed the incense that was in there. I think that's what my husband, I brought this into the house from the mailbox, and my husband immediately smelled it. He's like, what's that smell? He's got a really sensitive nose, so it's really strong smelling stuff bothers him sometimes. So I gotta be really careful with my stuff. Okay. We finally made it to our skirt board. Now I've actually made my own spirit board before. Sometimes when you make your own stuff, they work a lot better. There's stuff all around. Okay, I was trying to get that out of its little case here. Look at that. I can't even fit it in frame now. Beautiful. Huh. And I know I have a lot of different spiritual background viewers on my channel here, and I just want to say that if you learn and study how to properly use a spirit board, it's not like they show in the movies at all. You just study and learn before messing with them at all. But they are perfectly fine. There is nothing wrong with them at all. I've done a lot of studies over this type of stuff, for many, many years. And so I've never had any problems with it at all. So I hope no one gets offended, or I hope nobody what I want to say. Yeah, I just hope nobody is scared over this stuff. It's all okay. And you all know, you've all been watching my channel for quite some time. You know I'm a very good person. Yeah. But if this stuff bothers you, please don't let it. I don't know how else to say it. The movie industry definitely does this stuff badly. It gives it a bad name. It really does. And there's nothing wrong with it at all. I always tell people to please do your research and educate yourself properly before judging something. So, thank you, Moon Goddess. Thank you so much for sending me this. It means a lot to me that you thought of me. Thank you so much. Alright, you all have a beautiful day. Bye.